Hi, in this video I will show how to use app for converting CSV file to LaTeX table. And this is my website. I will leave a link on the site in the description. To find the app, I will click on search and type LaTeX. And just open LaTeX table page. Click on CSV to LaTeX and click on download. And wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. Then I will click on downloaded archive, click on MSI inside archive to start installation, click on more info here. You can see I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click on finish on final screen, and you can see app has been installed on my computer, CSV to LaTeX, and I can close this, minimize this, and close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. First step, I have to select my CSV file. I'll click to select input files, navigate to US states CSV. Basically this CSV file inside has a just state name, state code, region, subregion, and all information about US states. And my goal is to convert this CSV file into LaTeX. So after I selected CSV file, click on next step. Here I can select which columns to include. I want state name and state code. There is a like some unrecognizable column. But basically, if this is selected, it means CSV files has normally CSV files in first line is the name of the columns, and all rest is the data. So this is what is presented, and I want to create table with state name instead code. I'll click next, click run, and I will be asked for name and location of test file. Let's call it my states text, and click save, and you can see file has been saved. Now in order to test this file, I bring overleaf. I have a just an empty project, and I will click on upload button, navigate to my file. It's my states text. I'll click it, and then I will double click on file, click on recompile, and you can see that this is because I think it's not, there is some information in here. Yep. And you can see all states and states code are here. We can increase size of state name. Let's specify like 7, and just recompile again to have them all in this table. So yeah, basically that's it. We converted CSV file to LaTeX and with LaTeX table, and we have it uploaded into overleaf and presented on the page. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them